Hello everyone, in this video we have to unbox Whoop. So this is like a smart band which can monitor your physical behaviors like sleep, recovery, performance, fitness, etc. So this is working 24/7 and they have their own application where you can track all of this. So let's see how good it is, because the hype is real about this device. So this is the band itself. As you can see, it does not have any display or something like that will distract you, and this is what is very good about it. So you can wear it all the time, even when you are sleeping, taking shower, going for a swim or any other activity. It will always stay with you. And then let's see what additional things we get. This is a setup guide, so we will go through it and I will show you how you can set it up. And additionally, you get this one, which is like a charging for the band and a small charger like this. So let's see how we can set it up, and let's do some tests how it is performing. The band itself, it's called Super Knit, so it is very light for usage, and you can see now how easy it is to put it and to wear it. So it is very light, you will not even feel it on your hand. And it's kind of stylish. You can wear it even with some suit or even if you are going to gym. So we'll explore all of these options. Let me show you how it looks from the below. So here is where all the sensors are, and you can see there are many. So it's more advanced than, for example, the Apple Watch or your normal watches that you're using. And of course you can modify it with all different styles that are available on the Whoop site. If you like it, go check the link in the description of this video if you would like to order one for yourself. So the first step is to charge the battery pack, which we'll do in a moment, then scan to download the app, and then we can wake up to pair it with the app. So let's download the app. As you can see, it is available for both App Store and Google Play, so I will go with the App Store. So let's see how long it will take me to create an account, and then I will update you. For charging the band, you should charge the battery pack, and once it is fully green, I will show you how you can charge the band from it. And now it is fully charged, so let's put it on the band. So you just slide it like this until it clicks, and now it will start charging. You can see from the side here, this is the indicator for the battery of the band. So once that one is green, it means it is fully charged. Once it is fully charged, you can just remove it and continue to use as before. So you can check the battery of this one also by double tapping, as you can see here, and it is red only after one charging. So after you charge your band, you should put this one back on charging. And now let's see how the pairing works. So just click pair my device. So we need to confirm the serial number. So I already have the membership for 12 months. I paid for it, and obviously you need to provide the card details again. This is a bit what I don't like, because if I already subscribe, they should have kind of information and let me go use it for 1 year without the need for putting the card details again. But let's go, I will give this as well. So you can connect it also with your Apple Health. I will skip this for the moment, and let's give the date of birth. After this, you should provide your details. So this is good because they have both in imperials and metrics depending from your location. So let's provide this. This is very important to put it accurately, because based on this it will do all the measurements. Now you can select what's your goal: be healthier, improve fitness, optimize performance. So there is a lot of steps here, 17 steps. I will skip this in the video, but you will see it for yourself once you download the app. And finally, after all of that, you can check the battery level. So it's still charging, it's only 18%, and we will now explore some of the additional features of the app. And through a couple of days of usage, we will make this video, and we will see if there are any results in improvement of the sleep and the recovery of the overall health. I want to share some statistics with you after 5 days of usage. As you can see, within only 5 days the battery is almost fully depreciated, so it's only at 6% now. I was expecting to get at least 10 days, but it is what it is. Now let's see some of the statistics I got within these 7 days. So as we saw before, it is tracking your sleep performance. So you can see here when I was resting less and when I was resting more, and it is giving you this nice chart how many hours of sleep you need to fully recover and how much I was having in reality. So you can see the last day I almost took exactly what I needed, because I went to bed earlier, and all the previous days I went to bed very late and I was waking up early in the morning. And of course it will be tracking your deep sleep, REM sleep, all these things. Then when we go to the recovery, you can see that I'm now at 59%. We can track that as well through the previous days. You can see here on Tuesday I had a football match, and after that I needed more sleep, so I recovered only 15% because I didn't have enough sleep. I was not feeling that much tired that day, as this is showing, so it can be a bit demotivating if you see this statistic. But you can see the heart, it was really low. I don't know how it can be this low for the heart rate variability, but if you see the average heart rate, that time it was very high. It was going even up to 190 because of the football. Let's see for the stress monitor. I'm not sure how accurate is this one, and it can track like how, in which zone you were during the football. So you can see almost 42% I was in very high zone, where the heart rate was going almost up to 180. This Whoop is very good for if you are a sports guy and you are taking your training very seriously. But if you just need it for normal, regular usage, like to track your heart monitor and these other normal statistics, I think in that case maybe it's better to go with some normal smartwatch. So that will be a conclusion of this video. Let me know what do you think, if you feel the same about the Whoop band. And until next time, assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.